Hey, what up you guys? Today we're working on an Imop. It's the XL, and this piece is broken. They ordered a new one. It broke from here. So we're gonna tear it down, which I've already started tearing it down. But I'm gonna start filming now, and we're gonna keep on moving with it and see what we can get this thing fixed. They did send this really good chart. Tells you from step one on how to do everything. So we're actually done here. We're right here right now. We've already taken all the screws. We're on step 9. And we're moving on to step 10. You should be taking it apart there. Alright, so we had to remove this bottom deck here, and then you're able to see this bottom bolt. That's where that goes. And then keep on tearing it apart. Alright, so I was able to put that through, put this on, and there's the broken one over there. And now we're gonna start putting everything back together and test it out, see how it goes. I think it'll be alright. It was a broken piece. Everything's going back together like a used glove. So we'll see when it's done. Alright, so we got the base all back together. The lid. We just got a few more parts and we'll be ready to go. Alright, it's all done. It's all put back together. Got the frame back on, the brushes. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching.